Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150. If you need to find where the fuse for the brake light, stop lights is located on F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have specifically here guys, we can see, we'll be demonstrating on 2012 Ford F-150. You will have two fuse boxes. Now right here guys, if you open the hood on your F-150, under the hood you have one fuse box above the radiator fan here, above the radiator. We don't need that one for that specific fuse guys, we need the one that's inside the F-150. Talking about the one under the glove box towards the side by the kick panel here. You open the cover, open the fuse box, and it will look just like that. Now that fuse box here guys, okay, we took a picture and we zoomed it so we can show everything with a clear detail, otherwise it's impossible to get a clear view. Now before we explain which fuses you need to check specifically for the brake lights, stop lights, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuses that you need to check, they will be in that first row of fuses right here on the left side. So if you start on the very top, and even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it guys, you have fuse number, okay, you're going to have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, that 15M fuse right here, fuse number 13, and then you need to check fuse number 14 guys, fuse number 13, fuse number 14, both of them are 15M fuse. From the bottom to top it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 and 6 fuse from top to bottom, if it's easier for you guys. These two fuses will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.